We're here at RSNA. I'm really excited to have Dr. Leiner with me from Mayo Clinic. As you can see from our booth, we're talking a lot about how we can deliver better care to more people. Dr. Leiner, what does that mean to you and your daily practice?
Yeah, thanks for asking, Roy. So in my daily practice, we've seen a lot of increase in imaging volumes in cardiac imaging. I'm a cardiac imager from Mayo Clinic. So the past year we've seen a 15% increase in the number of cardiac MRs and CTs that we do. So that's a lot of growth, and that's driven by incorporation into the guidelines of these tests, which are incredibly powerful, provide a lot of good information. But obviously we don't have a 15% snap increase in the number of manpower to read these examinations. So what we need is to have better tools to access that information and guarantee throughput with high quality. So how are you working on this?
So here it is a lot. I think it's a very pressing need in the healthcare practice that we actually provide both better imaging, better precision diagnoses, and how we can help to use different types of technologies to deliver that. Of course, we have been working for 100 years on pushing the hardware technology to support better imaging. We're now also having the opportunity to actually use the latest generations of AI to also provide more solutions to help you coming up with the best diagnosis. Then we also see that there's a huge volume need. We see more patients in need of more imaging, and therefore we are kind of really looking into how also we can make the workflow more productive. And that means looking at every step along the way, how we actually can take routine tasks out and actually give more time to the practitioners to spend with patients. Therefore, it's also important that the collaboration that we have advances what we do, so that we kind of hear directly from your practice, kind of what is it that you want us to innovate on. And when we innovate together, we have these quick feedback loops to develop the new generation of imaging products.
Yeah, and I'm glad we're working together on this. We've been working with Smart Speed and Smart Speed Precise. We've seen a significant increase in the speed of the exam, so we were able to cut the time it takes cine imaging with about 50%. So that's going to increase the throughput as well, and we like that because we want to give more patients access to cardiac MR. It's such a fantastic test. We're also working together with you and developing new technologies or new concepts of acquisition, such as free running acquisitions, which are focused on even further simplifying the scan without the need for ECG triggering, without the need for breath holding. Acquire all that information and extract all the relevant information at the end. It's more like CT, right?
Yeah.
That way.
A lot of the advancements have been developed together with practice. So if you take the systemic view on healthcare, we know that we can only really drive it together because you need to have the clinical practice to adopt new technology advancements, also push for it. Of course, we as technology and innovation providers, we need to be fast supporting you in what you need, as well then also taking the financial support and the regulatory support so that together we can really change healthcare. And what I really appreciate a lot about the Mayo partnership is that Mayo is really pushing the boundaries of where and how we can deliver care. And that also pushes us, which I think is a great collaboration to see how we can push the advancement of the practice and of technology to bring it together to really deliver better care for more people. And that's, I think, where you see a long year relationship is really yielding in tangible benefits for patients.
Yeah. No, I'm really excited about this collaboration as well, and I think patients with cardiovascular diseases are going to benefit significantly from the activities we jointly do.